Bitcoin is set to drift lower and then range, and here's why. On the hourly time frame, two chart patterns have formed. In blue, we see a symmetrical triangle with a price target in either direction. In green, there is a rising wedge with a price target in the mid-50s. The PPO is trending weekly with hidden bearish divergence on the chart. All this suggests weak indecisive price action with a negative bias. On the daily time frame, inverted DXY is set to increase until August 1st. This will provide some price support for Bitcoin. In addition to this, the implied volatility is elevated. This indicates that there's less gas in the tank for a downside break in the near term. Taken together, this would indicate to us that over the course of the next month, we're likely to see muted, indecisive price action for Bitcoin. On the weekly time frame, Bitcoin can be seen to have broken an important trend line on the chart. The BBW, meanwhile, is currently in compression. Taken together, this indicates that the overall downtrend for Bitcoin is still very much intact and that we can expect further downside action over the course of the next several months. This is also confirmed on the monthly chart, where Bitcoin has broken down below the blue fair value band. The histogram on the PPO has also not flipped light red. This indicates that the overall downtrend is still intact and that we can expect further downside over the course of the next few months for Bitcoin. For macro context, we can look at the total rate ribbon with reddish colors indicating short rates and bluish colors indicating long rates. We see that we are currently in the middle of a re-steepening process that is on pause, with the short rates moving back up towards the long rates temporarily. In order to see the recession materialize, we would need to see the short rates move decisively downwards in a sudden move, like they did in 2008 or 2001, or during COVID. We've not seen this yet, but it is certainly in play. For now, however, there is a momentary pause, and we could expect some sideways price action while the interest rates make a decision about their direction. After all that we have discussed, my official prediction for the month of July is that Bitcoin will drift down through the mid-50,000s to the price of 53K, and then range sideways between 53K and 61K until the end of the month. Invalidations are above and below this range, respectively. If there is an upside break, it is likely a short squeeze and would be short-lived. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and remember to join me next time to find out what happened to Bitcoin and for the August update from Adventure Crypto. Okay, that's it for the July update. If you'd like to learn more about macro investing or Bitcoin, feel free to watch some of my study videos. Remember, not financial advice, and stay tuned for the August update from Adventure Crypto.